Good morning. I'm trying to look awake here, but I'm actually sitting on my deck with a nice cup of coffee. And I just want to talk about bird songs. Because there's this big, well, he's not big, but his voice is very big, mockingbird, who has been coming around in the mornings. And he's in this tree behind me. He loves to sit at the very tippy top and sing out with maybe 4 different playlists. And I also run an Airbnb. And so I was talking about this bird with our guests and with my son. And so the bird song can be irritating. Right? You know, if you're trying to sleep in, or I don't know. So I started feeling into the bird's song. And the bird's song actually has the potential to raise your vibration. What do I mean by that? Well, here I am, a little groggy in the morning, trying to wake up. And I started just tapping in, just opening my senses, especially my heart. And I let the bird song into my heart. Can you hear that? He's still singing. And then slowly, I notice my energy starts to rise up, right? There's an uplifting. My heart begins to expand. There's more spaciousness. There's a softening. And there's an amusement that takes place. And when we're amused, that's an instant uplifter. And so there's a big difference, right, between feeling irritated by a loud bird and then allowing yourself to fall in love with the sound that is irritating. And hopefully, listening to this video, you'll get a little taste of how to do that and the benefits of what happens when you do. Until then, cheers, Mr. Mockingbird in the tree. Have at it. Your beautiful song.